Hey, it's Mike from TRIDOS.DESIGN, and in this video we'll go over the installation for the extended slide release buttons for the AAP-01. These are also compatible with the AAP-01C. However, please note that on the right side it's a drop-in installation, but on the left side, as you can see, the slide release button has a small angle. So in order to install it on this pistol right here, you will either need to use some pliers to straighten out this curve right here, or you can use also a Dremel or some saw to just shorten the button and make sure it's flat, just like on the other side. But for the AAP-01 regular version, these will be a drop-in fit. Due to the different tolerances, we can only guarantee a perfect fit on one side at a time, but you should be able to make it work fairly easily on both sides just by slightly adjusting the bend for these buttons. So let's get started. For this installation, you will essentially only need a 1.5mm hex drive, but you might also need some needle nose pliers to make it work. So let's remove these two from the bag. They should both come pre-installed with grub screws ready to go. And to make it easier, we want to remove the top upper from the gun, so we have a bit easier access to the slide release. Essentially what you want to do is just take this button and slide it onto the wing, like so, and use the 1.5mm hex drive and just screw it in place. And essentially that's the installation done. However, if you look at it and you want to install the second one, it might work like on this pistol right here out of the box. But in case you're having some issues, and in case it's giving some resistance and it's sliding around the body, what you can do is take the needle nose pliers and just slightly bend this outwards to give a little bit more room for the button. Alternatively, you can also just take some sandpaper and slightly remove some material from this side, but we strongly suggest to just slightly bend this outwards to make some room for the other button. And again, just put it on there and use the 1.5mm hex drive to just fix it in place. That's it. That's the installation complete. It's on there, it's solid, it won't fall off. Now put it back together, and now we can do a test fit. So we can pull it back and boom. And as always, in case you run into any issues, just message us on Facebook, Tridos Airsoft, or you can reach us via email, micus@tridos.design. The email is going to be also down in the video description. And I'll see you guys in the next one.